Welcome to IT Revision Hub. Today I am going to show you how to create a site-to-site VPN tunnel between two FortiGate devices using custom method. In my last video, I have showed you how to create a site-to-site VPN using IPSec Wizard. I took the same topology to explain how to create a site-to-site VPN using the IPSec Custom mode. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please press the subscribe button below and press the bell icon in order to get the notification of my latest videos. In this diagram, there are two LANs, LAN 1 and LAN 2. LAN 1 consists of 192.168.1.0/24 range and LAN 2 consists of 10.13.2.0.0/24 network. Here I am using a router in order to imitate the internet. We can ping from FortiGate 1 device to FortiGate 2 interface 192.168.99.1. From FortiGate 2 we can ping 172.16.10.1/24 IP address. That means remote IP for FortiGate 2, and for FortiGate 1 remote IP is 192.168.99.1. LAN 1 and LAN 2 are the LAN segments of FortiGate 1 and FortiGate 2. Now we'll log into FortiGate device. We'll go to the interface. In the interfaces, port 2. Port 2 is the LAN port and port 4 is the WAN port of the FortiGate device 1. Now we'll check the static route. Here we can see the default route is routed via the 172.16.10.2. Here 172.16.10.2. This interface IP. First we will check the connectivity between these two FortiGate devices. To check the connectivity, I will ping from FortiGate 1 device to 192.168.99.1 interface IP. First we'll go to the CLI and we'll use execute ping command. Here you can see connectivity is okay. Now we'll go to the policies. Here you can see only implicit deny policy is there. Now we'll start to configure the site-to-site VPN. For that, we'll go to the VPN section and go to the IPSec tunnel. Then create new IPSec tunnel. And here we'll use custom. And we'll give a name FGT FortiGate 2. This is the IPSec tunnel name. We'll select custom and press next. This is the phase 1 configuration. This section is the phase 2 configuration. First we'll give the remote IP, that is 192.168.99.1, and we'll select the interface port 4. Port 4 is the WAN interface, and we'll enable NAT traversal. we'll keep this setting as it is, and for pre-shared key we will use admin at 123. This is the pre-shared key. We'll use IKE version 2. In IKE version 2, we'll use encryption as this and the authentication as SHA-256. And we'll use this too. Now we'll select the local and remote subnets. Local subnet is 192.168.1.0. 1.0/24, and the remote subnet is 10.30.250.0/24. These are the LAN subnets. Now we'll go to the advanced. Here we'll use this as the encryption and SHA-256 as the authentication. Here for Diffie-Hellman group we'll use 5.2, and we can select auto negotiation, and other parameters will keep as it is. Now we have to remember these settings in order to configure the other end of, that means the other FortiGate device too. Now we'll press OK. Now we need to create IPv4 policy for incoming and outgoing traffic. For that we'll use create new policy. FGT1 to FGT2 incoming interface is port 2 because we need to select LAN port. The outgoing interface is FortiGate 1 to FortiGate 2, and source. For source we will select LAN 1. In this case I have already created two addresses, LAN 1 and LAN 2. For LAN 2 I will be using 10.13.250.0. This is the remote LAN network, and LAN 1 192.168.1.0 is the LAN 1 IP block. I will select for the source I will select LAN 1, and for the destination I will use all, or I can use LAN 2. Now for the services I will use all. Here we can keep NAT enable. Here I am not going to use these security profiles because this FortiGate device is not a license one. Here we'll log allow traffic all sessions and will enable this policy. This is for outgoing traffic from LAN 1. Now we'll copy this same policy and paste it below. This is for incoming traffic via the IPSec tunnel. For that I will use FGT2 to FGT1. Here we have to use FGT1 to FGT2 IPSec, and this is for incoming traffic. Here also we need to swap the source and destination. Now the policy is created with the same settings, and here we need to enable this policy. Now we'll go to the routing section. For that we need to go network static routes. We need to add a static route from LAN 1 to LAN 2. Here I will be using 192.10.13.250.0/24. This is the network, and the default gateway IP is this 172.16.10.2. 172.16.10.2. Here I will use port 4 as the interface and will press OK. This is the static route from FortiGate 1 to FortiGate 2. Now we'll go to the FortiGate device on the other end. Here you can see for the network interfaces, port 2 is the LAN port and port 4 is the WAN port. Now we'll create a IPSec tunnel. Create new IPSec tunnel. Here we'll use custom and we'll give a name FGT2 to FGT1. Press next. Here we'll use the next hop IP, that is 172.16. This is the next hop IP 16.10.1. 10. Here we'll enable NAT, and for pre-shared key I use same key admin 12. Here we'll use IKE version 2 and we'll pause all the. Here we'll use encryption days and authentication 256, Diffie-Hellman group 5 and 2. Here we'll provide the subnets of the LAN networks, LAN 1 and LAN 2. Local subnet is 10.13.250.0/24 and 192.168.1.0. 0/24 is the remote. In the proposal to this and SHA-256, Diffie-Hellman will use same, and here we'll use auto negotiation and press OK. For this field we need to select port. Now the IPSec tunnel is created. Now we have two more things to do. The first one is to create security profile for incoming end. Here you can see there's only the implicit deny. Now we'll create IPv4 policy for the incoming and outgoing traffic via IPSec tunnel. Incoming interface is port 2, That means the traffic comes through the LAN port 2 and it going out its destination via the IPSec tunnel. For the source, I will be using LAN 2. For the destination, LAN 1, because I am in the FortiGate 2 device. Servicer will allow all. Here we'll enable NAT. Log allow traffic all sessions. Now we'll press OK. This is for outgoing traffic, and we'll copy this same policy in order to create the IPv4 policy for the incoming traffic. This is FortiGate 1 to FortiGate 2, FGT 1, FGT 2. Here we need to swap the two interfaces. Here you can see the IPSec tunnel is already up. Now what we need to do is we'll need to create this policy for the incoming and outgoing traffic. Now we'll enable this policy and press OK. Now the IPSec tunnel is already up. Now we need to create another one more thing, that is the we need to create a static route. For static route, we'll use the destination as 192.168.1.0/24. This is the LAN 1. For the gateway, I will be using 192.168.99.2. Interface, we need to select port 4 and we'll press OK. Now we'll go to the command prompt, command terminal, and we'll ping to 192.168.1.2. 1.2 is the IP address of the LAN 2 PC. 10.13.250. This is pinging. For this side, to reach the LAN 2, we need to go through the IPSec tunnel. For the FortiGate 2 device also, we need to change these settings. This is static route, we need to change this because we can reach these LAN 1 and LAN 2 only via this IPSec tunnel. Now we'll check whether we can ping the destination. See, we can ping the destination. Currently I am in the LAN 2 site. Now I can reach 192.168.1.2. That means I can ping from this LAN 2 to LAN 1 PC. We'll check whether we can ping from LAN 1 PC to LAN 2. For that, I will go to the LAN 1 PC and go to the terminal. Ping 10.13.50. Here you can see we can ping. Now I think you have a thorough understanding of creating an IPSec site-to-site VPN via custom mode. Now we'll go and see how to bring down this IPSec VPN. To bring this tunnel down, we need to go to monitor and the IPSec monitor. Now we'll bring this site-to-site IPSec tunnel. Here it is asking whether to bring this down. This is still running. Here you can see incoming and outgoing data via the tunnel. This is the phase 1 and phase 2 selectors. Now we'll try to bring this tunnel down. For that we will go to the IPSec monitor and click bring this down. We are unable to bring this down. But anyway, this is the method of bringing down the IPSec tunnel. Here you can see incoming and outgoing data. We can reset the statistic using this reset button. We'll see whether we can see. Here incoming and outgoing data became 0 bytes. Now we'll ping. Now we'll ping and see whether traffic is going via the tunnel. Now we'll refresh. Here you can see then traffic is going both way, incoming and outgoing. Now I think you have a thorough understanding of creating an IPSec site-to-site VPN. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.